Sometimes they try to get too hijacked with that computer. Yeah. I don't cast for almost 50 years. I was sleeping the last 2 years, but anyway.
Oh, yeah.
Made her come back. They drive you crazy with their computers.
Yeah.
Well, that's our fault. They want to with the people. That's it. But he did save New Orleans. He had about 400 people. Black, white, and green beat about 10,000 British.
Oh, wow.
Because they just marched. I'm going to drive off when his Mama Luba's in front of me. Pull off. Featherhead. Turn the lights off. That's what they do. No, if they flash green, it will work.
Yeah.
This way, because later on when the kids get out here, there'll be stagnation. Hey, baby. I say, you got to get out to fall in love. You can't fall in love from the car. You can't get drunk from the car. Even though we have drive-up daiquiris down the road.
With milk. Where? Oh. So. Y'all are cute. Got the French Quarter this way. And then back toward downtown is this way. But we might go to Saks after this, I think.
Baby boy, live your best life. You be tripping on me, acting like you can't give a where you be. I ain't tripping on you. I want you to live it up.
You see, I don't want to be all on you, but while she's in the center, when her zips are in the middle, you can follow those 2 rows straight down the middle of the bag. So that's
wow.
So many people are making that his exact bag.
Yeah, I see
He's
him.
like, I'm frustrated with this. I'm gonna actually create my own style. So he's coming up with the shop. So do you like the blue or are you?
I like the black.
So let me see if we have some dark.
Okay. It's got the German mixed in with it.
Tiffany.
Nice.
Yeah, this one was great.
You said out of those? Oh,
He's a rapper. Stop that. Stop.
I go with everything.
It does. After years of wanting this specific backpack, Michael Damier, I can't pronounce it, but I got it. It's in the bag. I'm gonna show it later on, but yeah, it's lit. This is a wedding. It's like a wedding parade, and it's like a big wedding. It's super cool. I don't know if I want to get married in New Orleans, but it's a lot to do, so. Okay, what'd you get?
I
got a Tiffany bracelet. You know what? I don't even know what the name of it is.
The actual bracelet is
The actual bracelet itself, I don't know the name of it is, but it's like half the diamonds and the other half is just white gold. It's cute. I thought it was really cute. And I actually ordered the ring to match.
Oh, okay.
And so it should make it to the house in about 3 days.
Cool. Where we at? Can you put your ass down so they can hear you? About to play laser tag. So who's gonna win? You said me? How you doing? We'll see. We'll see. But we're waiting. We got like a 10-minute wait. Oh wow, they're bowling in here. Bowling in here. You wanna bowl? No? You used to bowl.
Yeah.
Do you miss bowling?
A little bit.
Yeah. You like swimming or bowling more?
Bowling.
You ready? You should have been on opposite team. Okay, yeah, it's okay. What color? What color team? The green team. We're the winning team. These people here are rude.
Open those doors and go through.
Alright, here we go. So we're here on the last day. About to get a, what's about to happen?
About to get a massage.
About to get a massage.
About to get a message.
A message. It's Isaiah's first massage. Are you nervous? He's not nervous. Cable talk. We just finished the massage. It was really good. That was my second massage ever. The first massage that I got was like in my life was traumatic, but this one, I fell asleep. I never fall asleep that easily, and and hand. You do. What'd you think? What'd you think of the massage?
It was good.
Good? That's it? No other words?
No other words.
What'd you think?
It was
Awesome.
mine was great.
Great.
Amazing. I'll be back.
Me too. Look at this. Yeah, it's bad out here.
Gosh, kind of ugly.
But yeah, that's how we wrap up the New Orleans trip, I guess. It's a good massage and a bad storm. Thanks for watching, I guess.
That